Hi all, let's make a quick Android application for personal use. Let's not waste time, let's get started. Here, there is no need of Android license key when you are building an application for your personal use. And of course, you can distribute it to your friends and relatives. Let's get started. So here the prerequisites for a Android application creation is to install Visual Studio Code for a quick JavaScript, React, or Angular application, whatever you want, and then Android Studio. Okay, let's go for it now. And then I'm using a simple React to do application which I customized to make my grocery shopping experience easy. So here is the project. Let me open it. So this is the project where you can add a list of items. Okay, sugar, atta. So comma separated values. If you add it, it will give one by one separated list of items. And during shopping, once you get the item, you can click on the tick mark to remove it. So this is the quick application which I am actually trying to make it as a Android version. Okay, next we have to set up the application in Visual Studio Code. So here is my application setup, a React simple React project. Okay, let's see the components here. One is the app.js, which has very basic JavaScript manipulations and the list of items with a tick mark and a draggable. So this draggable I have not made it working till now. I have to work on it. And let's see how to convert this into a Android application. So here I have to create one capacitor.config.json file at the root of the project, which you see here, and I have to add this configuration and one ionic configuration file. I have to add it. Then I have to go open this package.json, right click and open in integrated terminal, and here we have to run npm run build. So this will build the distributable files for this React application, which is a uh, build folder which can be distributed. So let's see, we have covered this ionic configuration and this npm run build. And then what is the necessity is to install capacitor. So npm install capacitor core and npm install capacitor CLI, which is local installation, and then init the capacitor. Okay, so these are the three commands I ran in the same command window. So this is a new command window. I'm closing this. Here I have done already all the steps. I'm showing one by one. Okay, then we have to initiate a Android Studio, right? Run the below command to in the command prompt. This will create the Android folder in your project root. Okay, when you run this command ionic capacitor add Android, then this will generate this Android folder, which is for the Android app build. Okay, after that we have to do npx cap open Android, which will open this application in the Android Studio IDE. So when you go to Android Studio IDE, this project is imported and all the required dependencies are being installed. And then what I did is I clicked on this run on the top right. If you see, I clicked on this run app icon, which ran the application here. Okay, this is the steps that I have followed. And then uh, run the project once it is initiated. This step we have covered. And now locate the build folder. So before that we have to build the APK. Once you see this Android application running, go to this build menu on the top, and then build APK. Click select build APKs. It will build the APK and create in this way. You can distribute this. So this file now you can share it through WhatsApp to your mobile. WhatsApp web. You use WhatsApp web and send this to your some of your relatives on the WhatsApp, and get download it on your device and install it. That's all, your app is ready. Okay. In the description I have attached the in the project repo I have attached the APK, and in the description I have given the GitLab URL. You can try it yourself.